Welcome to the channel. Today this is a Mercedes C300. It's a 2010. So what you're going to do is how to fix this front left parking lamp. So let me show you guys the difference of a parking lamp and a marker light. All right, let's go. So when you come to the front of our car, we have this main light, and then we have this one right here. So this is a marker light, and then right here on top this is the parking light. So this one right here is a parking light. So when you come to this side, you can see it's working, and then this one also is working. When you come to this other side, this one is not working. You guys can see it's not working, so we're going to fix it. And then this one is the marker light. So don't let it confuse you, because some people might change this one thinking they're trying to change the light. All right, let's do it. So first thing first, you come on top of the car right here. When you look like this, somebody missed something here. They took out the cover. So right on top right here is this thing right here. It's kind of like a knot. So what you do, you just come right here, you just open anti-clockwise, and then once you open, you take this thing out. It comes out with the seal. Don't forget to put back the seal. So when you see right inside there, that is our marker light. That's our parking light, not marker light. All right, so we'll need something like a pair of pliers, a sharp one, to just turn it around and pull it out. Okay, let's do it. So you get something like this. It's just a small pliers, and then make sure you turn off your car when working on lights, because sometimes it has some voltage. So you just come right here, and then you just extend this pliers, and guys, you just pull it straight. You don't twist it, you just pull it straight. Or if you have you can access those cables right there, you can just pull like that and you pull it out. Okay, so this thing is coming out. So disclaimer guys, if you can see this thing well, it's kind of like it came out or somebody twisted it before. You don't do like that. All right, our light is out. So when you look closely right at it, we see it's already busted. Okay, so it's time for changing. So I'm going to be using W204. This is awesome. This is the model, and then this is how it's going to look like. So this is our bulb. So we just put it right in. I just taken right this, and then we connect it back to our stuff right here. I just put it right here. And then once this thing is gone in like that, so we see this is good. So what we do, we just lock it all in, and just like that, our light is just locked all in. So next we just try it out and see if it's working. So we have to start our car. Or maybe before you do that, you just don't forget to lock it in. You just lock it in like that. Alright. So once you lock like that, you can just test it and see if this light is going to be working. So let's do it. And just like that, our light is already working. You can see it from right here. So if you compare it with this one right over here, you can see it too, it's right over here. So when you just come right there, you can see the light is working. And then when we go to our dash, you see when you come right here, it says low fuel. It says no messages. So apparently the parking light thing has gone away, and we are good to go. Alright, thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next one. If you loved it, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.